Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the pattern and fabric ready. Pin pattern pieces to grain, transfer notches and darts with chalk, and cut carefully. Once done, fuse interfacing to collar, lapels, and front facing so structure holds. Make sure to press seams as you go for crisp lines. You should label each piece because lost parts slow you down. By the time you finish this step, you'll have all components cut, interfaced, and organized, ready to assemble the jacket panels. You now join shoulders, matching notches and easing any fullness. Stitch and press those seams open for a smooth join. Next, set the sleeves by aligning sleeve cap notches to the armhole and easing in small tucks. Pin then baste before final stitching to prevent puckers. Once sleeves are attached, add pockets and sew front facings to stabilize edges. Trim seam allowances and understitch where needed so the lining sits flat. Make sure to top stitch lapels for a professional fit. You finish by sewing the lining into the shell. Align at neck and front edges, stitch together, then understitch to keep the lining invisible. Turn the jacket through the open hem, hand sew the lining hem and finish hems and buttonholes. Sew buttons securely and press each final seam. If you see fit issues, make small adjustments by taking in side seams or rebasting sleeves. If puckering appears, rip the stitching, re-ease the fabric, and resew slowly. Finally, press again for that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.